In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable autocomplete in Cursor AI. If you've ever wished your editor could anticipate what you're about to write and help you move faster with fewer typos, this is exactly what you need. Autocomplete suggests code and text as you type, saving time and reducing repetitive work. And Cursor AI makes turning it on straightforward. Start by opening the Cursor AI editor on your computer. Once the editor is up, look toward the top right of the interface and click Settings. This opens the Preferences panel where all the key options live. Instead of scrolling through lots of categories, use the built-in search to jump right to what you need. In the Settings search bar, type the word Autocomplete. As you type, the list filters in real time to show only the matching options, which is much faster than browsing section by section. When the autocomplete option appears, enable it. You'll usually see a simple toggle switch or checkbox. Turning it on tells Cursor AI to begin offering suggestions in line, right where your cursor is, so you can accept them with a keystroke and keep moving without breaking your flow. This change typically applies immediately, without any restart. If your settings panel has multiple groups or you've navigated elsewhere, use the search bar again and type autocomplete to bring the same option back into focus. This is especially helpful if you're double-checking that the setting actually saved. Once it's visible, enable the autocomplete option there as well, or simply confirm that it is indeed switched on. A visible on state or highlighted toggle indicates you're set. That's it. You're done. From now on, as you work in the editor, Cursor AI will proactively surface context-aware suggestions. Think of it as a gentle co-pilot. It can complete function names, fill in common patterns, and help with boilerplate, all while you stay in control. If a suggestion isn't quite right, just keep typing and it will adapt. If it's perfect, accept it and move on. Autocomplete is most effective when you write naturally, so don't feel like you have to change your style to trigger it. Remember, enabling autocomplete is about reducing friction. Let it handle the routine parts so you can focus on the logic and creativity of your work. And if you ever need to revisit the setting, the search bar in Settings is your quickest path. Enjoy the smoother, faster editing experience with Cursor AI's autocomplete turned on.